Hi Virgo, this is your next 7 days reading starting from 27th of September to the 4th of October. I am going to look at this time period for you to understand what energies are coming in at this time for you. So this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Virgo, people having substantial Virgo in their chart. So you could be having air, water, earth or fire in your chart prominently. With that you have the necessary Virgo placement as well. So the star and the sun in your environment is telling me that something is coming to clarity, and stars are guiding you towards a certain destination, towards a certain person. There is renewal in your life. There could be, if you were going through monetary problems, health problems of close people, things are becoming more clear. Things are going towards fortunate situations. Happiness will come back in your life. So environment looks lively, environment looks healthy, helpful, and it has lot of promise, and it is guiding you towards that. With the King of Cups, there could be someone very important who is of the sign of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in your life, or it is asking you to be emotionally intelligent in matters that are very, very big. So, there is a big matter around you with the lovers and the world. This is, having a divine union with someone. This could be about options, chances, accomplishment with a partner. This could be, opportunity coming to you, once in a lifetime kind of opportunity of love and partnership. So you are going to upgrade your situation, and you need to be you need to approach this with love. So there is a possibility that ace of swords and the fortune card, wheel of fortune card, is coming to you. Opportunity is up for grabs. It could be a decision that you need to take to change your world. So basically, with the King of Cups energy, with the Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, or you need this energy to deal with a new situation that looks like a possibility, but it could be a double-edged sword. So this could be love opportunity coming to you in this time period with a Gemini, Aquarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Sagittarius, Leo, whoever it is. You have to take this chance if you really want to have some love situation. However, what's happening with you is you are worried about the morality of the whole thing. You could be worried about the community, worried about the religion, religious factors. Some of you are anxious about how to deal with this situation. Maybe some of you have a dual love situation in your life. That is, you could be married, happily married to someone. You could be having another option in your life which looks like a divine chance for you. However, you could be very worried or anxious regarding this. This could be also in a work situation. You could be dedicated or committed to a job, but there is another opportunity which is coming to you. It could be a opportunity from abroad maybe, or this kind of dilemma is there. So anxiety is there, and that is keeping you sleepless, but angels are saying that in this chaos there will be a victory and a chance can be taken. With the King of Swords energy, there could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, Taurus energy around you, or you need to keep your objective straight in front of you. Your moral, ethical standards, your dilemma will be solved if you look at it objectively and not let your emotions rule over you, because emotions will give you anxiety. So I do not see the devil card here, so there is nothing wrong in this situation, but it is giving you some difficulty in decision making. So some of you could be getting an opportunity in this life, in this period, in this week. Some of you are in this worry, and there is an opportunity. Because of this opportunity you are worried. You are in two of swords. This is, some kind of stalemate, what to do, what to decide, because there is seven of wands. You want to play it safe. You want to play it safe with the seven of wands. You cannot take the chance to become vulnerable in this time period. Some of you have to deal with two situations, not just love. It could be, like I said, you are committed to one job, one family, one person, and you got another option. So it could be one responsibility which you are tied to, you could be having another responsibility. So you are in a stalemate situation. You cannot make a decision. Self doubt is creeping in this time period, making you uncomfortable. So with the eight of wands, there can be some opening up of situation. That is what I see. But till the end of the week, you will be in two of swords. You will be in this dilemma, what to do. So this could be, you need to sacrifice something in this time to grow. So or change your perspective with the hangman and the empress card, to grow in love, to grow in life, to make a growth, make what to do, whether to grow or whether to leave it. That is the kind of stalemate you will be going through. So you will make the correct decision with the hierophant coming again. So your reading is showing duality, and the ultimate card is the hierophant. So this is asking you to be prudent in your life while you make your decision, and very soon you are going to be transported away from this trauma that you are going through because of a double situation in your life. So you will be crossing the traumatic situation and moving towards peace. So some of you could be taking a travel. Some of you will require to make two, choose between two places. Some of you could be, so there is two option, two destination, two people, two family situations, two work situations. You have to sacrifice one to take the other. So basically, nurturing, caring, in this time period you will be more going towards nurturing, caring, or family orientation will be more pronounced. That is what I am seeing. So chance has come to you. There is a good luck situation which is coming in. Sometimes, good luck also, reels us in a different way. So what is difficult is you could be highly drained, or you have big burdens on your back. You need to you feel exhausted. Some of you are feeling exhausted with five of pentacles, a lack in your life. It could be lack of love, lack of friends, lack of money. It could be a very disadvantageous situation as an obstacle. So in your life you could be dealing with heavy burdens in this time period. Luck is going to give you one chance, so you have to be very judicious what you need to do. So what angels are saying is that there could be a journey in this time period. Let's see some topical cards to understand your reading better. So let's see for Virgo what's coming in from 27th of September to 4th of October. Let's see for Virgos what is coming in. So there could be a mature woman around you. Some of you are taking care of your mother, and that is one responsibility, and you could be having another responsibility. What else? You could be the main female, or you have one mature woman and main female with whom you are dealing. You need some advice in this time period. With the judication card, there has to be a decision that will be made, maybe through some advice which you are going to take. Pathway will open up for you. What path to take will be coming to you. The light will be coming to you. The Ace of Swords has already come to you, so you will walk through this uncertain situation, stalemate situation, and finally getting the right direction. So this is like you getting stalled because of some wrong directions in this time period, but finally you are going to see clarity and stars are going to guide you. This could be connected with a house as well. So some of you are dealing with a house matter and a mature woman. So this could be court matter, judicial matter for some of you, or a marriage situation, partnership situation. So marriage, courthouse, house, and so you need to have judication in this time period. So let's read out the astro oracle for you to cap this reading. So you are in some kind of discomfort or debilitation of some sort. So this is, some of you will get better if it is a health situation. So you will come out of this stalemate, a procedure, and health will come back to you. Stabilization will happen. So debilitation occurs when, if suppose you are a well organized city dweller, suppose, and you are put taken to the wild woods. What happens is accidentally debilitation occurs. So discomfort of some sort occurs when you are pushed in some foreign land, foreign situation, difficult, something which you are not used to. That kind of situation can occur for you. So right now, uh, what will happen is, this time, in this time, maybe some of you are feeling neglected, some of you are feeling like a sidekick, not getting the prominent position. So you feel like this is not your game, you feel invaluable. So but you have a lot to contribute nonetheless, and the long term benefits will be worth your efforts. Learn and listen rather than assert yourself and your opinions in this time period. So use your strength and leadership skills to support and center another person or project. So some of you need to use your kind, warm self to support others. Maybe you require to do that. You could be the background person, maybe. So back up a leader and work behind the scenes and bolster the team. If you are not ready to do this, you can pass the ball and leave the field. So the challenge of this energy is whether you are an artist among the engineers or a linebacker among the ballerinas, you may struggle to apply your talents in this situation. In these moments, it's easy to slip into self-pity or self-doubt. You are being challenged to grow in ways you can't predict. You are being asked to diversify, stretch, and strengthen your weak muscles. Only you can decide if it's time to take the challenge. But this experience also encourages you to love yourself in the quiet moments and to appreciate what you bring to the table even when nobody else is noticing. So with your reading, how it is connected is that How it is connected is that you could be having difficulty in putting forth your ideas. You could be making a choice in this time period to, be prudent in your situation. So, whether it is your love life, whether it is a duality that is troubling you, whether it is a stalemate of some sort where you are not getting your breakthrough, you are feeling neglected with the Five of Pentacles. So, light will come to you, the realization will come to you. You will have to, get out of this. Overwhelming situation which can push you into the corner, but what you can do is to be keep your knowledge, be you will be successful if you concentrate on sacrificing yourself for something or someone. So some of you are getting a divine chance. Opportunity can come to you. You will have to wait for the right time. So advice is required in this time period. Maybe you need to take advice and then proceed further, because something is stalling your path. Definitely it could be your own mind, or it could be someone else who is taking the center stage. So this is what I have for you, Virgo. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So decide and then contact me. If you want to take membership of the channel, you can look at the description box. There is the membership link and the offers. You can also donate to the channel by clicking on super thanks just below this video, and you can just keep watching my readings and expanding my audience by just endorsing, by commenting, or by sharing it with others and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.